So the first thing we do for this ceiling, what you want to do is measure the ends, the middle and the end, and then we just see where we go before we cut them all. If you're confident, you can do cut several with your circular saw. So 1910, 1915, 1920. Right, so 1920, biggest part, but because I put a little service hatch in where, look, see that, where my board is, I can cut them all 1920, and it's going to fit like a dream. There'll be enough room to expand, and it's beautiful. So the first board we get is silicone along that roof there. Then get it in, put some screws up. That's going to fix it. Then the next thing, couple of screws in it, silicone, fix it. Beautiful. So what I'm doing is, we've checked them all. They're all good. What you want to do is, if you're doing it this way, take no clap, yeah? And see on the end here, I'll show you exactly why I'm doing this. I'm cutting both ends, purely and simply, so I don't have that bit on it. Do you know what I mean? I just don't like it. So, get it. Beautiful. Put it like that. And then we'll get the same measure. We'll clamp this side and we'll cut it the exact same to the measurement of the roof. Then we've got 4 panels, we'll go put them in, and then we'll re-measure, and then we'll cut the other 4. And that is how you get a job in town. And I'll show you the cut on this. See that? It's a perfect edge. Just what you want for Christmas. Just what you want for Valentine's. Don't forget, ladies, I only deal in gold. Do you know what I mean? I don't want no knickers, only gold. Fish bass, wash over here, like, share and follow. So, as you can see, when you're doing this, what you want to do is you want to check your panels. See how I've already marked the roof? So we've got an equal gap. On this side we've got virtually a full board which is going to be finishing there, and we've got a full board which is going to be finishing there. If you haven't, what you want to do is you want to mark the centre of it, and you want to try equal these boards out. It don't have to be exact, but you want to try equal them out so it looks good, so when you walk in the bathroom it looks good. Do you know what I mean? On our occasion it's going to be golden, so all we have to do is get that in there, like that, push that up. As you can see, that lip there, we don't need to worry about the lip. Because it's perfect. So what I'm going to do there is, I'm just going to mark this lip so you can, so I can cut it into the wall, and then it'll hold it in. Beautiful. Beautiful. And then the first piece, all we do, silicone on top of that, stick it on, and then we'll put some of them screws up to the plastic, and that's it. This is my job done. Right then, so what you do is make sure you seal your first in all the way around. They're taking piss out of my little darling. And then what you want to do, careful, you. Okay, beautiful. See that suction? Up. Nice. Now it's up. don't just rely on it staying there because it might flap down. Several screws along the edge. Now when I first started doing these ceilings, what I did is I slipped off my screwdriver and went through that. So always make sure you hold your hand, because what I've learned, if a master can do it like me, anybody can do it. Do you know what I mean? Don't forget to like, share and follow. Then all I've done is I've run white, back and forth, get it in. Sometimes it can be a bit tricky trying to get these in by yourself. Get it in, and then what you got to do is expansion gap, and this gap here, what you don't want is no gap. Push it tighter together, and then bang a screw in there. You can either start at end or start wherever it's thingy. Remember, you can only push it as tight as you can push it. Sometimes it looks like there's a slight gap there, but there's no gap. Push it together. When it gets warm and cold, it'll expand and it'll look beautiful. Always push it together.
You know where Joyce are there?
Right. In the ceiling. Sparky's coming, he's in a bad mood today. And he's rushing me. So he's trying to put me under pressure, but don't put me under pressure because I'm that cool. Like that. And then next panel on, exact same bump, all the way to the end. Bish bash bosh, don't forget to like, share and follow.
That's the back of them, is it?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's gone, is that one?
That bulb's gone. There you go, beautiful.
Yeah.
Never have to paint it, never have to do it with it. Now we're on to the toilet. See this waste pipe here? Moving it. Right now we're on to the toilet. So see this waste pipe here? Instead of coming, we've got units going along here. So instead of having units going along here, with waste pipe going through and cutting it in, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop it underneath the house. So I have picked the board up, and as you can see, there's a bit of a void there. So my plan of action is going to drill an hole from outside, come underneath the house, and then we're going to come up. Then what we're going to do is the sink can go into that, the toilet, and not only the sink, the shower waste can go into that, all solvent weld, and it'll be like a job in town. Do you know what I mean? Do a little bit extra, and then I've saved that bit of plasterboard there, that'll stick back on there, and jobs are good. And don't forget to like, share and follow MJC Kitchens and Bathrooms. Don't forget we work in Leeds, Barnsley, Wakefield, York, this side of Leeds. No job too small.
Yeah.